Hycosan Night improves the tear film and protects the surface of the eye. Only use Hycosan Night if the seal of the outer pack was intact before the first use. To start, remove the protective cap. Tilt your head backwards and gently pull on the lower eyelid using a finger. When using eye ointments, avoid any contact between the tube and the eye or skin. With the other hand, hold the tube in an upright position above the eye. Apply one strip of eye ointment into the gap formed between the eye and eyelid by gently squeezing the tube. Close your eye gently and blink normally. The thicker consistency of eye ointments causes a slight impairment of vision. Replace the cap firmly back onto the tube. Hycosan Night can be used for 6 months after first opening. To learn more, visit scopeeyecare.com or contact our customer care team at info@scopeeyecare.com.